Besant Technologies. This is a video on IoT softwares. So there are a number of softwares for IoT, especially to test APIs and all. There are two popular API testing and API creating tools like HTTP and the MQTT. For HTTP we have Postman. For MQTT we have MQTT.fx. So now we'll explore the options available in explore the operations available in the Postman tool. So Postman supports the all the HTTP methods, the popular CRUD operations, get, put, delete, and post. So this is the place where you give the API. Give the API. This is https io.adafruit.com. This is an IoT platform, open society platform. In the header section, if you see, this is the IO key of mine, and the content type is application JSON, and this is the body of the protocol. So you'll be sending it in terms of JSON, and the and if and with this, what if you can just press click on send button, you'll be able to send this request to the IoT platform, and in turn you will get a response. So it can be 200k or 404 depending on the API keys, as because the API keys are wrong here, so you'll be getting 404 error. If the API keys are right in place of API key, so you'll be getting the um, right values. So coming to next IoT software called MQTT.fx. So this is compatible for both Windows and the Windows and the Linux platform. So we need to download this software from mqtt.fx website, and after installation, this is what is the screen appears to you. When it appears, when you click on settings buttons, connection setting buttons, you'll be able to see all these options: profile name, profile type, the broker address. So it can be any platform. It can be connected to any platform through MQTT protocol, and the port is 1883, and this is the client, the place where you give the client ID. And these are the options of MQTT: connection timeout, keep alive interval, clean session, auto connect, maximum flight, and the versions. So these are the general settings of MQTT. And if you want it to be more precise, so if you have a user credential and all, so you can give the broker's username and the password, and say, and what you do is, if you that is one access using a username and the password. And if your platform is really supporting SSL or TLS, you can go and enable them. And once you enable them, you are supposed to enter all the certificates which is asked. You can browse it from the location, and then say apply. Once you apply, you will be able to connect it to an IoT platform. So when you hit a connect button, as because it is SSL or TLS enabled, you will get a lock mark and the green button. So that is how you will get to know the platform is connected. And as you know, MQTT supports both publish and subscribe. It's a publish subscribe architecture. So you can subscribe to a topic of your interest and click on subscribe for. Similarly, you go similarly, you can if you can send the data from the IoT platform, you will be able to receive it using this. So as of now, you are subscribed for the data, and you don't have any data as of now. So now what you can do is, so once the platform sends the data, this is the test data, this is the result of the subscription. Similarly, we have view logs. So what has happened, what is the connection request on subscribe, message arrived, what message it has arrived, and what was the topic of MQTT. All these things you'll be able to see it. So these are the two important tools for API generation and the use of API use of API from any platform: MQTT and Postman.